Commercial architecture and geography. Geography influences design choices such as color, materials, lighting, and structural elements of a building. Climate per location differs, and that's why the architectural expression varies. It affects and is taken into consideration in architecture's planning, structure, even the type of roof and external treatment used. The first thing that surveyors do is to evaluate the location before the building. Through architecture, we can see an overview of geography of a society without going to it. The response to specific environmental concerns and the usage of materials in architecture will help us determine a geography of a society. Here are some examples. Commercial architecture and environment. Environmental constraints must be taken into consideration in building commercial architectural works to avoid damage. Weather patterns, climate, soil types are some of the factors that have to be considered in deciding for the optimum design and structural layout. Environmental pollution can cause more damage to the architecture. The prolonged exposure of industrial buildings, bridges, residential units in water, heat, cold, and air has an effect. So everything from the materials like stone, sand, bricks, and metal used in the building must be studied carefully to lessen the future damage caused by the environment. Production of commercial architectural works poses serious environmental risks, starting from the collection of materials to be used, down to the actual construction process. Exploitation of resources processing. Preparation of construction materials and their transport can cause environmental damage on a large scale. Likewise, the actual construction and the product itself leaves a long-term damage on the environment. From the conversion of natural ecosystems to commercial lands and infrastructures, down to the excessive energy spent on processing, construction, and work maintenance.